Hi, I am Mita Naya, and I want to tell about one topic today. And my topic is about I want to tell about different apps, um, what is their benefits, and what is the uses of these apps, etc. And I'm starting now. Um, at first, I will tell about Google. Google is not a app. It's a search engine. It's a big search engine, and it's very helpful. And and uh, uh, and if you want to know about anything, or suppose you have no sense about anything, then you can search in this app, and you will get proper answer briefly. If you want to know about medicine, um, uh, then you can you also can know about the medicine, means what is the work of the medicine, what is the benefit, what is the bad side, means um, what is the side effects of medicine, and etc. um, Otherwise, you can also know about a lot of things. If you want to know this about prime minister, suppose if you want to know about prime minister, or if you want to know about our country, then you can also get it from this search engine Google. And yes, if you want to know about the meaning of any word, then you also can find it from it, means so it's very helpful, and everybody use it. And everybody get lot of help from this Google. And recently my father was sick, and doctor gave lot of medicines, so that's why I could not understand that what is means what is the medicine of blood pressure, or what is the medicine of sugar, etc. So then I searched in Google, so I got proper answer, means and I could know that what is what is the medicine of blood pressure, etc. And I also know the side I also knew the side effects of all medicines. And so it helped a lot me. And every time, otherwise I took a lot of help from Google. mm, and I'm learning English now, so I'm telling English now about any topic. So when I did not get any meaning of any word, then I find it in Google, and I got proper meaning. And I get very satisfaction to get this meaning. And if you suppose, if you cannot understand the meaning of any word, then it can explain, means they also explain it briefly. And that's why you can also, means they also give a example to you, that's why you can understand it very well. And it was not so big, means the explanation is not so big. They tell everything very briefly, means and so it's very helpful. You can also know about this corona situation. Means sorry you, you can also know this pandemic situation, means uh, how much you can know the number of people who are affected by the COVID-19, um, etc. And I also like to use this app. And every day I use this app. And yes, they are also have a benefit. Like you can pay from this through this app, Google Pay. You can pay if you go anywhere, or if you go in the shopping mall, then you don't need money. um, no, means then sorry then you don't need cash for payment. You can pay money through Google Pay. mm, and so that's why if you have any necessary of money, then you can pay from Google Pay, or any means any or another person also can pay money to you from Google Pay. So it's very helpful, and they also have a app like Google Translate. It's another app. If you download it, then you can search the meaning of different word, and you can search a sentence meaning. And there has lot of language: Hindi, then China. There has lot of application, but I use Bengali to English to Bengali I use. But there is lot of language. So if you can, if you want, then you can translate it from Bengali to Hindi. That's why you can learn Hindi also, as well as and you can, you also get meaning from Hindi to English or English to Hindi. There is a lot of language. Sometimes I can speak Bengali, Hindi, English language, but not very well. Means Bengali is my mother tongue. So that's why I can speak in Bengali language very well. And otherwise these two language like Hindi and English I'm learning now. And it all I also sometimes get some meaning, means Hindi word when I watch any movie, or when I listen any song. Then Hindi song, most of the people like to listen Hindi song, like to watch Hindi movies. So that's why when I did not when I cannot understand about the meaning of any word in Hindi, then I find it in Google Translate, and I also get proper answer. Means then I translate from Hindi to Bengali. You can change it. You can change it. Sometime means I use it every day. I use it, and it's and when I and every day morning I watch English news. When I watch. English news. Suppose they when I could not so when I cannot understand any meaning of English word, then I go to the Google Translate and search it in Bengal, meaning in Bengali. So I get proper satisfaction, means well answer. So it is really very helpful. And I told about Google. Now I'm wanting to tell about YouTube. YouTube is very popular app, and it also very helpful. Means if you can know about everything from this through this app. And you can get entertainment, you can know about cricket. And there you will not get anything brief. You will get everything briefly. If you want to listen anything briefly, then you will get. But if you want to listen anything very if you want to know anything bigly, means then you will get it also. And it's very information inform it's really very informative app. Means mm, you if you um if you don't have any teacher, means suppose you are student, or when I was student, I had teacher of every subject. Still when I read alone, means when I read by myself at home, then sometime I could not understand the meaning of Bengali poem, or sometime I cannot understand about the meaning of English poem. So then I search it then I search it in YouTube. then i get then I get lot of videos. Means there is lot of videos. Means everybody explain it very bigly. Means they will explain whole poem, English to Bengali. So then you can understand it very easily. Means if you don't have any teacher, then you don't have any problem. You can do your study through YouTube. Means you can get teacher from YouTube, without any money, free. And I also get lot of help from this YouTube. Means I'm taking some preparation of competitive exams, so that's why I do reasoning, math, GK, current affairs, etc. So they I help I take help of YouTube. And there I subscribe some channels. And they give they give a lot of videos every day. And everything is very helpful. Means everything is very informative. And I can read reasoning, I can read GK very easily, without any teacher, without anyone's. Means no, they help me. Means I will not tell without anyone help, but I can understand everything properly. And um, and I can know it to sit at home. I don't need to go outside to anyone's house. Or and if you want, suppose you have no interest to see this video now, then you can select it for watching next day, or for watching later. Then you